Artlist.io.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be solving area of trapezoids, as you can see here on the screen. And before we solve all the questions, we're first going to read out the formula, and then we're going to read out the tip, and then we're going to finally solve the questions. So let's go ahead and read the area of trapezoids. So the area of trapezoids is base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by the height and then finally divided by 2. So now let's go ahead and read the tip. So to find the area of a trapezoid, multiply the sum of the bases, the parallel sides, by the height, the perpendicular distances between the bases, and then finally divide them by 2. So maybe some of you, really don't understand this, so I'm gonna go ahead and explain it. So basically, what they mean by this is that first, there you have to obviously find the area of the trapezoid. Then second, you have to multiply the sum of the bases, which are the sum. The sum of the bases are the 7 here and 15, and those are called the parallel sides. So the base 1 and the base 2 are parallel sides. So for example, they might give you lots of sides, and you have to choose the one that are parallel sides to find the base 1 and the base 2. So yeah, and then you have to multiply. Then you have to plus the base 1 with the base 2. Then you have to multiply by the height, which are the perpendicular distance between the bases. So the height is always the perpendicular distance between the base 1 and base 2. So yeah, and then you have to divide them. First you have to multiply. You have to add base 1 plus base 2, then divide by the multiply it by the height, and then finally divide it by 2. So yeah, let's go ahead and solve the questions. So let's go to question 1. First, we have to write the formula, which is area equals base 1 plus base 2 multiplied by height and divided by 2. So the base 1 equals 7 plus... Okay, sorry, there's a little bit of a mess here. So then, just a second. Okay, so 7 plus 15, which is the base 2, which will... Okay, so then we're going to divide it by 9, which is the height, because it is the distance between base 1 and base 2. So base 9, sorry, height 9 is here. And now we're going to plus 7 plus 15 equals 22. And then 9 is just going to stay the same, and we're going to multiply them together, which will eventually equal 198. 198 here, divided by 2, which will equal 99. So this is the answer, 99. So let's go ahead and solve question number 2. I'm really sorry if this is kind of a mess. So 3. So let's write the area first. Equals base 2. Okay, so now the base 1 is 3, and the base 2 is 6, and the height, which is the perpendicular distance between the bases, which is 4. So now we're going to add 3 plus 6, which will equal 9. And we're going to multiply it by 4, which will equal 45. Sorry, wait a second. I'm sorry. To equal 4. Wait a second. 9 multiplied by 4 equals 36. Sorry, I almost forgot that. So, 36. Okay, we can't just go to question number 3 without obviously dividing it by 2. That's the most important part. You can never forget that, ever. So now, at the last video, which is area of triangles, don't forget to check that video out. I told you a trick to divide numbers. So obviously if they're even, or maybe not, I mean, it's still the same. So 36, how can we divide it? So basically we're gonna take out the 6, so it's gonna be 30. We're gonna divide it by 2, which will equal 15. Now let's divide the 6, which will equal 3. It'll equal 3. So then 15 plus 3, which will equal 18. So eventually the answer is 18. It's a really helpful trick. I really recommend for you guys to try this trick in exams and any place to be in any homework, exam, quiz, any type of those things that you get tested with, and you really should know how to do it, because it is just gonna make you divide numbers faster. So now let's go ahead to number 3. So let's write out the formula. We're gonna write it over here. So base 1 plus base 2. Okay. So 10, wait a second. 10 is the base 1. And the base 2 is 24. And those are the parallel sides. And then the height is 7. So now 10. Wait a second. 10 plus, oh my god, sorry. 10 plus 24 will equal 34. So basically you're just gonna let it 24 and just add 10 to it. Like, it's really simple. It's gonna be 34 and then multiplied by 7. I'm gonna write it out here. Equals 28. 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21 plus 2 equals 23. So 238 is going to be the answer, but not the official answer. Is it 200? Okay, 238, I think. Yeah, it's 238. Then we're gonna obviously divide it by 2. We can never ever forget this step because it's really important. So 238 divided by 2 equals equal 199, I think. Yeah, it'll equal 100. Wait, no, it's not 199, it's 119. So the official answer is 119. So now we're lastly gonna go to the last question, which is question number 4. So, um, so I'm gonna write up the area is 1 plus base 2 height divided by 2. We're just gonna put a 2 here. So, so the base one is 9 plus 16, and the height is 5. So 9 plus 16 equals 25. 25 here. Multiplied by 5, which will equal, I think, wait, what's it equal? So 25 multiplied by 5 will equal, oh my god, 125, yes, 125 will equal 125. Now, we cannot end this video without multiplying multiplying it by 2. So it'll equal, oh my god, I'm stuck again. Okay. So it'll equal, okay, so 125 125 divided by 2 equals, wait a second, it equals, yes, it equals 62.5. So 62.5 is the official answer. So we are finished with this lesson. I really hope you understand, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so every time I post a new video you'll be alerted or notified. And yeah, bye and have a great day. See you.